Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate a simple tool which is going to help a lot for UI UX development. So the tool is very simple. So if you want to find the gap between these two component, that's it. You may make use of this. Even it can help you to scale between those component. But the thing is, it is going to give the measurement exactly between those two visual element. If it is white space, then yeah, we won't it won't consider. But yeah, if you see, it is 217, whereas here it is 88. It's not exactly going to take or consider the for example the div. It should be like the vertical or the triangle, right? So it is not going to consider in that way, but the content which is available in the UI, that's what it is going to make measure it. So if you see here 22, yeah, here also 20, yes, 22. Maybe if I want to check the vertical spacing, yeah, we can see this vertical spacing between these components. Yeah, it is actually interesting, right? So 46, very easiest way. Even we can able to see the bounds. So if I draw like this, how much space it took in the dimension point of view. So for example, if I want to check this component dimension, I can check like this. Yep. So if you want to know more about this tool, check the description or comments. Yep. Thanks a lot.